While we have almost unlimited choice in what we watch on television, from traditional programming to online content, there's next to no competition to build a better user-friendly product that allows you to easily access all this content in one place.
Now, some of this is local content.
I know that there are millions of Americans who are happy, who are content with their health care coverage. They like their plan, they value their relationship with their doctor. Now, there's some in this town who are content to perpetuate the status quo, or in fact, fighting reform on behalf of powerful special interests. Meanwhile, you're coming of age in a 24/7 media environment that bombards us with all kinds of content and exposes us to all kinds of arguments, some of which don't always rank that high on the truth meter. And make no mistake, through your service, you demonstrate the content of the American character.
We have strengthened the renewable content of our energy matrix, and we have advanced in developing environmental policies that protect our important rainforest reserves and also protects our very rich biodiversity.
What deliverables are you going to go for after this trip to achieve it? And Señor Presidente Piñera, ¿qué contenido tendría que tener esta
Mr. President Piñera, what is the content of this partnership so as to meet the goals of the region?
Well, with respect to Libya, obviously the situation is evolving on the ground.
Of her achievements, she says simply, these are her words, "I made it against all odds. And I want to be an example for girls in my country and beyond." Now, Grace could have been content to make lots of money and just provide for her own family. Ibelo.
A faction in Washington may be content to wait until the next election to do anything. But I've got news for them. The next election's 14 months away.
Mexican exports to the world represent 37% of have 37% of American content.
Don't be content to just sit back and watch.
I see the knowledge to provide rigorous content that will enable future generations to continue to grow our economy and to be leaders in global innovation.
We need to identify the areas where we can supplement each other's production of goods and exports and goods from Mexico to the world, because these products have a high content of U.S. input.
I want to see more apps that can be instantly updated with academic content the day it's available, so you don't have old, outdated textbooks with student names still in them from years ago. And I responded to that when I was in Europe, in Germany, explaining that one program had to do with telephone numbers that were exchanged without content.